The last shot was all about blue pen. Hold on, let me try to get it. I just turned my flashlight on anyways. Let's get into the photo. Cookies rating. Red velvet. Oh, red velvet's a low-key kind of buzz, bro. Thumbprints. I used to love these as a kid, bro. The jelly in the middle, I didn't like it. Oatmeal. I think oatmeal is crunchy. Is it? I think so. Number 1. Ginger. Number 2. Gingerbread. Okay, I don't know. Wafer, bro. Wafer should have been a 1. Fortune. Fortune is kind of bad. I just like the butter. I don't like butter. Chocolate. 6. Decorated. Oh, freak, bro. Why did I rate it? Actually, yeah, I hate macarons. They're 20 rand, but they taste horrible. How fast can I tap? What? That wasn't. I restarted the filter because it wasn't right. What? Still not doing it right. Lock the frick in, bro. Let's go. Alright, we're spinning the wheel on La Boo Boosh. Right. How do I? Can I? Filter's broke. It's not broken. It just started spinning. Black? I don't understand La Boo. Prettiest part of my face. My eyes are as wide as the earth is from the sun. How are you saying that's the prettiest part of my face? Name as color. Otis. Sky pop. Bruh. We're trying it again. I like blue, but that's not my type of blue. Let's see if it's just a random color. It's not random, bro. We're doing kiss, Mary, pause. Q, I don't know. Q, pause. Next one, X. I don't know what X. E. Huh? We're trying this again. V. I don't know V. C. I don't know what C. Frick. I wouldn't marry a C though. J. I don't know what J, bro. Next short.